My time at Crunch Fitness has been nothing but great. From the friendly staff and the great atmosphere, I couldn't have thought of a better gym to join. I've been lifting for around 5 years now, and I wanted more of an Olympic-style training. I switched to this gym because there is more open space, lots of tables, good cardio machines as well. I couldn't have thought of a better gym to join than Crunch Fitness.
Joined Crunch Fitness to continue my fitness journey. Like I said, I've been lifting, working out for 20+ years. I love the fact that Crunch Fitness has Olympic-style weights. There's many machines for back, chest, arms, cables, 2 hit zones. This place is incredible. So I like to work out everything, cardio, strength training. I'm almost 50, so I'm trying to keep in shape. So that's what I love about Crunch Fitness, man. Come on down.
Hi, my name's Camry McNary, the owner of The Vegan Goddess. I'm here at Crunch, and what I love most about Crunch Fitness is their wide space. It's very spacious, so it doesn't feel like everyone's on top of each other. And I love how they have so many squat racks. A lot of gyms only have like 2 or 3. But my favorite workout would probably be the abductors, the abductor machines, and the Stairmaster. But yeah, I switched to Crunch because they have so many different classes. They have the kids Crunch for like daycare, which is really, really great for parents. And yeah, they're really great supporters of the community and local businesses.
I'm John Lee. I'm working out here at Crunch Fitness, and what I like about it is the diversity. They have a lot of different machines. They're smooth, they're new, the place is clean. I like the atmosphere. And so I work out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I take off on the weekend so I don't burn out. It's a great place. I like the workout I can do here. And then at the end of my workout, I can get an aqua massage. It's a great place. Come to Crunch Fitness.
What's up, guys? My name is Austin DeShazo, and I heard about Crunch Fitness from a friend of mine. It just opened up in Memphis, and I figured I'd come check it out. This is my second time here, and I gotta say it's probably the biggest gym I've personally been to. It's got a lot of cool equipment, some stuff I've never seen before. A cool tire flipping setup in the back. Never seen one of those. I usually just see the raw tire, but anyway, it's got everything I could need: cardio equipment, weightlifting equipment, all that stuff. And as far as where I'm at in my fitness journey, right now I'm just trying to add on a little more muscle and then eventually build the strength up. You got to build a foundation so you hit a high peak. So that's kind of what I'm aiming for right now.